What's up, guys? So, back here at the shop, Volvo. We're gonna finish pulling that fuel pump, and then maybe do some other couple things to get the engine pulled. I'd like to see if I can pull the drive line today, and see what that is. But before we get that, will the sun still out? We're gonna tape a tarp up over this window, try and get everything all ready for cold, really cold weather. It's already really cold, but we're preparing now. So I've got this tarp and this tape. We're gonna tape up that window, but first I want to eat. I'm hungry. Alright, that's gonna be much better. Go ahead and crank this up. Get it heating up in here. Okay. So there's so much rust on that dang fuel pump, I can't get it off. What I think I'm gonna do, I'm gonna soak it in WD-40 and move on to something else. You know, I'm starting to think this is a big mistake. I'm probably just thinking that because I'm pretty tired. And I don't know, just kind of frustrated with. So I got a lot done around, like I've pretty much winterized the shop. I'm got the door figured out. But I barely even touched the Volvo. Maybe that's what's frustrating to me. I mean, I don't know. Maybe I should just put a fuel pump in the Volvo and sell it as is, but I don't know. You guys with project cars, you know the frustration. Maybe I just gotta go home, sleep it off. Hey guys, how's it going? I hope you've all had a very Merry Christmas. Oh, I'm gonna get rid of these headphones real quick. Okay, like I was saying, I hope you guys had a very Merry Christmas. It's going up a couple days after. It's literally the day after Christmas, so right back into the grind. But first, before we get to work, I kind of want to show you guys what I got for Christmas. I feel like I got some pretty cool stuff. But first of all, I'm gonna do a little bit of change. There we go. First big gift. I got a pair of coveralls. This should not only keep me warm during the winter months, but should also protect me from ruining any more jeans. This is going to pay for itself in a little bit. You know, I didn't pay for it, but that's okay. Maybe in the future we can put like a logo on the back. Figure out like a channel logo or something like that. I don't know, it'd be pretty cool. This next gift I got ourselves a great big breaker bar for the missus. She just doesn't quite have that torque that I do, so this is going to help her have more fun working with me. I also got these bad boys from my brother-in-law. These are some locking extensions. These are pretty cool. I needed some more extensions. And the last big gift I got is this angle grinder. This bad boy is going to really help in a couple of weeks once we start getting the engine out. When we start trying to put the 5.3 in. We're going to need to cut some stuff on the transmission tunnel if I remember correctly. And she also got me this cutting blade to go with it because I'm going to ruin one sooner or later. I'm also going to put these guys on so I have a little bit longer, a little bit more time before I lose all the feeling in my fingers. Also, I don't know, I haven't mentioned it by now. I got a haircut. Cut all my hair off and I'm freezing. Alright, before I even got here, I soaked the whole thing in WD-40. So it should come out. Give or take. Alright, so I've just soaked this screw in WD-40, see if I can get it to come off. And in which case we can just pull the pump out and just try and pull it off the hose itself. This bolt has been the bane of my existence for a very long time, and now it's coming off. So maybe now, try and pull this off. At least enough that we can get this to yank on this hose. Pull it off at either end, I don't care either. I need to keep it though, as I don't have another one. And then unscrew this. We should be golden. Alright. I finally got that fuel pump disconnected from the tray. I've been fighting that thing for like an hour now. This is stupid how hard it was. You know what? I think we have enough hose. And the hose clamp on it is just garbage. I think I'll just go ahead and cut that back hose. Yeah, I can't film and do this. Alright. Cut that back hose. Now I just unthread this and we're good to go. Alright, garbage fuel pump is finally out. Looking at this, it's pretty easy to tell why I had such a hard time taking it off. This thing looks like it was the OEM fuel pump on it like 40 years ago. This hose clamp right here is pretty much gone. I'm just gonna replace it with a new hose clamp and try and cut this one off. There's so much just crap and stuff on this pump. It's Alright, another problem. So this new fuel pump has these little hole wirings in. You can wire into these posts. But you probably saw in a couple of videos ago, if I put that up, I can't remember. The old fuel pump has these BS tubing things with like the clips on, like the claws. So we're gonna have to rewire this pump in by hand. And I don't even have my electrical pliers here. So that came to a grinding halt, but we made progress, which is good. Yeah, I gotta go find another one of these nuts. We can get that in. We gotta pull that bolt off from the car so we can get this pump in, wire it all up. And then fuel pump should be done. We should be able to put the back half of the car back on the ground. And we can start actually pulling the engine and not fixing things that are on the car. And we're just going to throw that on there. And then I might have to call it a night because I need to go get one of these bolts before I can do anything and get my electrical pliers out of my dad's place. So that's pretty much what I can do tonight. I want to thank you all for watching. I'm not really doing this for YouTube views or attention. This is more for a video diary of me working on my Volvo. But all the subscribers, the vote, the comments and likes, it means a lot to me. So thank you guys. So yeah, thanks for watching. If you're just joining, stay tuned. Now we're making progress on the Volvo finally. And like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys later.